In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos using Pictory AI, an innovative platform for AI video editing. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be able to effortlessly download your projects. Let's dive right in. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Pictory AI platform. You can do this by typing in the URL or clicking on the link provided if applicable. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. For convenience, you should select the Continue with Google button. This allows you to log in seamlessly using your Google account, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once logged in, direct your attention to the main menu. From here, click on Projects. This will take you to a list of all the video projects you've been working on. It's an incredibly handy way to keep all your creations organized in one place. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific project you wish to download. Upon finding your project, hover over it with your cursor until you see 3 dots appear somewhere on the interface. These dots usually signify more options. Click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, select Edit Project. This is the step where you can make any final tweaks if needed before downloading your video. After confirming that everything looks good and you're satisfied with your video, your next move is to locate the Download button within the editing interface. Clicking on this button is your gateway to obtaining a copy of your hard work. At this point, you might notice an option that says Download with Watermark. If you're using a free account, this is the default setting. However, if you have a premium account, you'll be able to download the video without any watermarks, giving it a more professional appearance. Once you've made your selection regarding the watermark, wait for the platform to process your download. It'll take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your project, but don't worry, it shouldn't be too long. Keep an eye on the screen, and once the download is ready, click on the final download option to save the file to your device. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded a video from Pictory AI. I hope you found this guide helpful and encouraging enough to get started on your next creative project. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy editing.